The United Kingdom is undergoing a major telecommunications transformation. By January 31st, 2027, the nation will bid farewell to analogue landlines. This shift marks a significant technological advancement, replacing outdated infrastructure with modern digital systems. While this transition promises numerous benefits, it also necessitates adjustments across various sectors. One area significantly impacted is the realm of elevators and lifts, particularly those reliant on traditional phone lines for emergency communication. Elevator repair specialists play a crucial role in this transformation, leveraging their expertise in both telecommunications and elevator systems to ensure a smooth transition. Their specialized knowledge and innovative solutions are pivotal in upgrading elevator emergency communication systems to meet modern standards. Elevators and lifts are equipped with emergency communication systems for safety. These systems allow trapped passengers to contact help in case of a malfunction. Currently, many of these systems rely on analog phone lines. The digital switchover renders these analog systems obsolete. Elevator repair specialists play a crucial role in ensuring safety and compliance during this transition. Without a proper upgrade, lifts may be left without a lifeline, posing a significant safety risk and potential legal ramifications for building owners. Elevator repair specialists specialize in upgrading elevator communication systems nationwide. Their team of experts ensures a smooth and compliant transition for building owners. Elevator repair specialists assess, upgrade, or replace existing systems to meet new digital standards. Their services guarantee that lifts remain operational and compliant with safety regulations, providing peace of mind to both building owners and passengers alike. The clock is ticking. With the 2027 deadline fast approaching, early preparation is paramount. Addressing the digital switch sooner rather than later offers several advantages. Firstly, it allows ample time for assessment and planning, avoiding last-minute rushes and potential service disruptions. Early action ensures finding the most cost-effective solutions and scheduling upgrades without disrupting building operations. Elevator repair specialists can assist in this process, providing expert guidance and support to ensure a smooth transition. Elevator Repair Specialists, a leading elevator repair company of the UK, is here to assist building owners, assisted living facility managers, and industrial lift applications with the digital switchover. Our team of experts ensures a seamless transition to modern digital systems, maintaining safety and compliance. Don't wait until it's too late. Follow the links down below to contact us and ensure your lifts are ready for the future. Elevator Repair Specialist is committed to making your transition seamless. Contact us today for expert assistance and support.